I rise, where eagles soar beneath the somber skies. Ühlingen's whispers through shadow pines, echoing tales from ancient times. In the black forest, deep and wide, we hike with stars to be our guide. Through meadows and paths untamed and wild, German whispers and nature smile. Untermettingen's history etched in stone, a village's heart, it's all I know. Eggingen's valley where rivers roam, in each step felt stories come home. In the black forest, deep and wide, we hiked with stars to be our guide. Through meadows and paths untamed and wild, German whispers and nature smile. By the Swiss border we took our stride, from Berklingen streams by our side. From idle slopes rolling hills we glide, carried by winds that never hide. By the Swiss border, shadows dance till dawn, songs of wanderers linger on, footsteps in harmony, bonds grow strong. In forest silence we belong. Untermettingen's history etched in stone, a village's heart, it's all I know. Eggingen's valley where rivers roam, in each step felt stories come home. Humming whispers in the black forest, deep and wide, we hiked with stars to be our guide. Through meadows and paths untamed and wild, German whispers and nature smile. By the Swiss border we took our stride, von der Klingen streams by our side. From Eigel slats rolling hills we glide, carried by winds that never hide. Campfires glow, shadows dance till dawn, songs of wanderers linger on, footsteps in harmony, bonds grow strong. In forest silence we belong.
Through the mist and rocky trails we ascend to alpine heights, guided by the moonlight veil, stars are lanterns in the night. To Switzerland we make our way, with dreams of peace where eagles soar. The journey's long, but here we stay, till our feet touch the green floor. Through the mist and rocky trails we ascend to alpine heights, Guided by the moonlight pale, stars are lanterns in the night. To Switzerland we make our way, with dreams of peace where eagles soar. The journey's long, but here we stay, till our feet touch this green floor. Through the mist and rocky trails, we ascend to alpine heights. Guided by the moonlight veil, stars are lanterns in the night. In valleys carved by ancient hands, we rest and breathe the morning dew. To hear the song of distant lands, feel the sun-baked mountains through. To Switzerland we make our way, with dreams of peace where eagles soar. The journey's long, but here we stay, till our feet touch this green floor. In the shadows of high trees, when sunlight gets to creep, we tread paths of ancient tales, through the forest dark and deep. To Switzerland we make our way, with dreams of peace where we will soar. The journey's long, but here we stay, till our feet touch this green floor. Till our feet touch this green floor.